different here is the network maps widget, because the dashboard is a place where you can gather multiple sessions in a single place. This is where you can use this network maps widget. You get the same timeline. You can still move, zoom in the timeline. So let's say I just zoom, let's say from here to let's say 11. I have zoomed, and then if I just go back to 1040, the zoom also happen on all the graphs. So anywhere you zoom in on the timeline or a graph, it's going to zoom into all the widgets. Same here, if you just select a different time range, it's going to adjust to all the graphs. So same timeline, zooming in, selecting, clicking. That's what is new. The interesting part of the network map is to compare your trace routes, because here, obviously, we have the same hops from hop 1, 2, and 3. And after that, for hop number 4 also. After that, it gets a bit different, but the usefulness of the network map is just to have a way to see that visually. So here, hop number 1 and 2 is by doing the mouse over. You can see that hop number 4 is the common run, and then after that, it gets to a different path to reach your different destinations. You can notice some stuff here. When I mouse over a hop that is common to the two paths, both paths are highlighted. But if I mouse over one hop that is specific to a specific destination, a specific agent, the other one is kind of faded, because you could have multiple. It can get big. You can have a big network map. So just knowing a bit more what is the exact path to that exact agent is shown like this. Same thing, if you click to the tooltip, you can move around. You can continue to stick. You can stick that tooltip. If you mouse over other hops, this one's going to be sticky. When you stop to doing mouse over, you can close that. Hop path change. So we also draw the maps, the multiple paths that are taken. Here we have Azure Quebec. Azure Quebec is still using the same path. This is Azure Quebec. But as we saw previously, hop number 3 in AWS Montreal stopped to reply at some point. So that's where we have 2 hops here on the hop number 3. So you have the 2 paths here. So only AWS, because the path is highlighted here, only AWS is not getting replies from that specific minute. Hop number 3 stopped to reply to that.